What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the currency on Momondo. First, open your browser and go to momondo.com. Wait for the homepage to finish loading. It is advisable that you sign in to Momondo first to save the changes to your account. But for this tutorial, I'll just head straight to the point. To change the currency, look to the top left corner of the page and you'll see the three lines that indicates the menu. Click on it and it will open up a sidebar. On the sidebar, you'll see a couple of options, but what we're mainly looking for is at the bottom part of the sidebar. Just directly below the language selector and right above feedback, you can see United States dollar, which is the default currency. You'll simply have to click on it, and this new window will appear that allows you to choose from a list of different international currencies. You could either scroll down to find your desired option, or simply type on the search bar. Now let's try typing in here Philippine peso. And there's my choice currency. Simply click on it and this new window will appear. Depending on your choice, you could save it for future use or for one-time use only. After picking an option, the page will now reload with your chosen currency being displayed. Another way to change the currency would be to simply scroll down until you reach the end of the page. Then again, just near the language selector, you'll find the change currency option. It's basically the same method we walked through earlier. And that's how you change the currency on Momondo. Thanks for watching.